After this, guys, there is literally no excuse in the book for me to ever lose my things again. I got a 4-pack of AirTags here and a whole bunch of cases. So let's unbox them and set them up, and I will give you guys a little demo of these things in action. What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and I just got back from the Apple store where I picked up a 4-pack of AirTags along with some keychain cases. Now, I wasn't originally going to make a video on the AirTags, but I thought you guys would appreciate an unboxing, setup, and demo of them in action, so let's get to it. So if you're not familiar with AirTags, AirTags are Bluetooth trackers similar to the Tile trackers that are already out there on the market. You attach them to your belongings and they help you find what you're looking for. What I'm most looking forward to with the AirTags is seeing how they integrate into the Apple ecosystem. I've been using Tile trackers for a few years now and I really like them. The battery life is great, they help you find your things, they get the job done, but I'm curious to see if these AirTags take things to the next level. To set things up, it's super simple. The process is very reminiscent of the AirPods. Simply hold the AirTag next to your iPhone, pull the plastic tab out to connect the battery, assign the AirTag to an item, and attach it wherever you want. Super simple, painless process. Tile trackers come with a little keychain ring, so those latch right onto your things, but Apple kind of forces you to get a keychain case here to hook these to somewhere as simple as your keys. It's not a bad thing since the cases do protect the AirTags and add some flair to them, but they make the price add up pretty quickly. The AirTags are actually competitively priced against other trackers out there, but once you start factoring in cases and start buying all those, that's when the price starts to rack up. As far as battery life goes, the AirTags are rated at 1 year of use, but the more that you use them, I assume the more that number is going to decrease. Only time will tell, but the good news is that the battery is a standard CR2032 coin battery, so it is user replaceable. So now that we have things unboxed and set up, let me go hide some things around the house with the AirTags and I will give you guys a little demo of these things in action. Okay, folks, so we are going to be going to find some AirTags. These are my keys. So as you guys are seeing, this is like a game of hide and go seek. So they are right ahead. They are 12 feet, 10 feet, 8, 7, 6, 5 to your right. So where I hid them is right here in this drawer. There are my keys. It accurately found where the keys are right in the drawer. That's pretty cool. So next we're gonna be looking for my backpack with the blue tag, which is the blue case. I had to label them because it did get a little confusing, but it showed me that it is 20 feet to my left. So let's see. Now I am en route, but if I go the other way, let's see this. Yeah, it shows me that I'm cold, so I'm going the wrong direction. Going back, it's pointing right at where I put my backpack. So I put the backpack over here and it's hiding right in the corner and it's showing me right where my backpack is and my phone is vibrating, showing me that the AirTag is right in the backpack right there. So the next tag is a little bit further away. Let's see if it can find it. Signal is weak, try moving to a different location. Let's try walking around. Where is my luggage? Where is it? I should be finding it. Oh, we got a tab on it. It is 20 feet away. There we go. So the luggage is this way. I'm going the right direction. To your right. Boom. Right where I left it. Right there. My luggage. So the last and final tag is my camera bag. Let's see if it can find it as accurately as it did the other ones. Searching for a signal. Oh, we got something. So it's showing me that we are heading in the right direction. 20 feet. So close. It is to my left. And bada boom. There it is right there. My camera bag right on top of a game of Parcheesi. So there you have it, guys, an unboxing, setup, and demo of the new AirTags. My first impressions of these things are pretty good. They do what they're supposed to do and surprisingly aren't crazy expensive for an Apple product, unless of course you start going crazy with buying cases and all of that. They're super easy to set up. If you have an iPhone, the tracking is the most precise that I've used with any Bluetooth tracker to date, and they also look pretty cool. Apple no doubt raised the bar here for Bluetooth trackers with the AirTags AirTags. They're just as seamless as you would expect an Apple product to be, and they're great for tracking down your belongings. So now I want to know what you think. Will you be picking up some AirTags to keep track of your things? Are they pretty lame? Are you not interested in them? Do they look super cool? I would love to know what you think down in the comments box down below. Anywho, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. And until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Peace!